Kumchacha mache.
Emu kwala.
Mejo senior.
Na what to say?
Aja ya
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
Kumchacha mache.
Emu kwala.
Mejo senior.
Na what to say?
Aja ya beka say eye be 50% by 50% na dey enye.
Na patrol, who are he say na den see ho. Na manenyi.
Se ade me wo Islegon say obi kan ye e wona me wo sisia but ma sole no na e wo malam se dia me wo fie wo Islegon na ma sole na e wo malam ensu etoye no abebu afa wonyina area no ama me the video na say ni producer Godwin
no producer no can so ono producer na obembo ono wa kan so ono susu afa no
me dia say no na Minia, ensuana bawama. Mimi se kuradi ya mimi dinamu dia. Me wanso me wansha ye betumi atra. Aba be du me kon. Me wanso me wa.
Oh my
na
God.
me mani try ya wo dia se ne me. En said ye eko area ho no. Me ma so dan the first one ni nyina kura buobu. Aba wura me inside one me office. And me ho nyina mama so dan inside the kura no. Say ye the producer Godwin. E dinamu dia wo no dia be kata ne so because tabe also I know the watch ya. It's ever cut so. But maybe the imaginary way they do me call. It's many penny captain so much. And now no pay the ensure no idea do mama Prophet Kumchacha. Makwa with a woman here we can say any pa we here mu also even area what Korano. The Amematia Koran say area what kake yesi ni pe mi na ewu. Na aswa Koran so ne watch no dog on a man. Any baby, I must fall in the walk. And my lamb station, Malcolm dine to what the I'm sorry, what the complain apple.
Yes, Kumasi Kurase. What's the wood year 24 hours economy policy? A best then as a market in a walk could see a Kuranaseno. A be contain 24 hours economy policy. Yay. What you some more kind? Or say what $1 so? Na dollar na wa tesono intime reflected to nimpa bra ba wonye hwe. What $1 so? Enso nioma boa yedin. What $1 so? Enso yen twaade. What $1 so? Youth ni adwuma ye. What $1 so? Nurses gufia wo mu nya adwuma nye. What $1 so? Teachers gufia wie school wo mu nya adwuma nye. What $1 so? Yes hospitals no wo mu nimpa wo mu beda so. What $1 so? Yentua nurses ka. What $1 so? Yentua teachers ka. Injidie pa na ekere se amambo na NDC bu na ya papa. Dia na ekere. Se dollar was 11 cedi. Se dollar no. Se dollar it was 17 cedi. And then na Kufuado. Na ye ton ade na ye to. Na nyoma boa ye de ba still now ye to. Na dollar ba 11 cedi under NDC government. Ba ye ta de ye nto. Nyoma na ne boa ye de ne still now koso a na ekoso. Edie na ekire wo, die na speak kire wo. Edie na ekire wo se NDC form faili. Edie na ekire wo. Edie na ekire wo pass NDC party ni mfeli. NDC government ni mfeli. Edie na ekire.
Also va so pa ne say NDC party. So ne fa so bia also. So you cannot rescue Ghana. But catch up boko. Me ne ma ka say I'm very calm because mba no mo ye fragile. We catch up plan. Kawano atum. A Dr. Baumia went to me for number from Ghana for name Dr. Baumia. Or be any more boss who na work on. Ghana for name no. Yet outside we know him. All my Ben also, they know him. And you can never bring such a person down, my dear. Jumpers when they said the table will turn one day. And after that, what next? Even the next NDC government or administration will not consider you. They are using you temporarily. It is show who see that can one etum. When you must say me no baby, the problems mum never brought now. So shut up. I'm a obushwan for ndromo. Okay? Good.
Of Kennedy Agyapong saying he's left the party.
I haven't heard it. I have not heard it. And
that is brother.
If I have never been heard about his brother, I only heard about him.
Right.
And like I am, when you are in a political party, it does not mean whether your brother should also be in a political party. I don't know whether he's also there.
No,
so for this comment, I haven't heard it. So if indeed that is what he said, maybe it can be true and it can be false. It's left with Honorable Kennedy or Agyapong to dispute that. And we talk about a committee. He talked about a committee that was set up in Ashanti region because of Kennedy. I put it on record here from the National Secretariat of the party. No committee was set up in Ashanti region purposely for Kennedy or Agyapong. We set up one committee headed by Professor Reverend Mike Okay.
Oh, what are we talking about?
To investigate and also to interact with the party people and come out with the report. And that is something that has been done. Again, the huge defeat that happened in this country for the first time was 2016. 2016. The 2024 is just the second, overlapping that of the 2016. The NDC was slapped with a huge defeat.
Yeah, close to 1 million, you say.
Yes. Today, and look, it disintegrated the entire NDC. Oh, I visited him in Techiman when they sat down to do a collation. This man could not even drink his tea.
Oh, you are talking about
computer. They could not even come with resource. And let me tell you,
it was that bad?
NPP won the 2016 election because of what happened in 2012. And we went to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court looked at the weight of the evidence, agreed with most of the things that we sent there, and told us that elections are won at the polling station. We came and did a lot of reforms. We went, manned the polling stations, and won the elections from the polling stations. So we won the elections on our own merit. We did a lot of things before we went for that particular election, but we won the elections on our own merit. Whether we had a leader at the time or we did not have, or whether we dismissed people at the time, the party was focused on our strategy, not human beings.
And that's what you stick
every
to
party,
do now.
yes, you don't need to build a party on people.
But how do you respond to what Rashid told you, that you don't even have the you will not be able to crack the whip on Kennedy Agyapong because of his level of influence within the party?
You see, that is his view, and his views or opinions are enshrined in the 1992 Constitution. I can't take it away from him. The only thing you have to do is to wait whether we will be able to crack it or not, because we are a disciplined political party.
Chino mind Ghana ho. Ene wo mu dwini ko atira. Na nke wo mu betira se ehuni say. Ewana womu da market and womu ni baby da. And nintina womu aye womu adwene se womu beda market. Inti se sa na te dia sa ankofo we to aba. Edi tie NPP government se womu pe change. Womu pa hoto. Womu pe nyuma ye. Such a way as our marketplaces in womu nkoda ho biem. Ene womu gina se de to aba di TMPP government. Ene womu to aba di ma NDC se NDC. Embera no mfa nhyehye ye pa megu o mame. NDC ba ye on fa nhyehye ye pa bia megu ho. Babi a me da na menya asomdie kakra na me de to aba TMPP na me to aba
Join da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and PCs yenwie because of time. But those ones it really component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Just hospital and a go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. And the can can was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, most of my for. I comfort my facilitator me on fund free seniors who some ya for. You see, any Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokika Mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nkɔ no ho asɔfo no mo nkɔma no ntu asɔfo no with the greatest of respect ɔmo nkɔma no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho chief imam for ne nkɔma no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho politicians ne nkɔma no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho market women ɔmo nkɔma no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho 2020 ju a then we will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ɔno ɔba ɔno the credit scoring system beba mo so open nkete Nancy Bibi na kasa de sebi ye bibi ayen kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibi ye bia invest kwa ye yen kitinkiti we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open kokoro kitinkiti obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open kokoro kitinkiti is enya mo de you people chose policy you people chose music over policy na ne yete ne nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu akire me na wo ne wo sia akire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Agyapong Dramani ma so on mema was come to mutu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade da mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Agyapong Dramani ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter now was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order ama nam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, na mo aye post
ya no catch obi say o di pa ne boa
o se